Tigers, it's Mrs. McCarver, and it's time for today's math lesson. Yesterday, we heard a counting story where everyone piled in the bed. We used our 10 frame to help us follow along as each number got bigger. Today, I have another counting story for you. It's called 10 Black Dots. You don't need anything to follow along, but I want you to listen very closely for the numbers that you hear. What can you do with 10 black dots? I wonder what you could do with 10 black dots. One dot can make a sun or a moon when the day is done. So they used one black dot to make the sun or one black dot to make the moon. Two dots can make the eyes of a fox. Oh, first there was one, now there are two. Or the eyes of keys that open locks. 1, 2. Do you know what number will come next? You were right. It's 3. We had 2 for the eyes of a fox. Now we have one more, and that makes the number 3. 3 dots can make a snowman's face or beads for stringing on a lace. So if we had 1, then they put one more dot that gave us 2. Then there was one more dot that gave us 3. What's one more? 4. 4 dots can make seeds from which flowers grow, or the knobs on a radio. Can you think of what number will come next if we have one more? You're right. It was 5. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat or the portholes on a boat. Okay, if we add one more, 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new, the rest are old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, if they put one more dot, how many will there be? 7. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake or stones turned up by a garden rake. Can you count along with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number will come next? If we have 7, what's one more? 8. 8 dots can make the wheels on a train carrying freight through sun and rain. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in rank. Let's see, can you put up 9 fingers? Now, if there were one more, 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. Did you add one more finger to make 10? Shake the branch and set them free. Count them. Are there really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. Let's say the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm noticing each time we go up, the line of dots is getting longer. There's one more in each row. Let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As the numbers go up, they add one more dot, and it gets longer. This book was a creative way to take a number of dots and turn it into a picture. Can you create your own picture with just a number of dots to make a picture?